Drawing up in Emerald Station, 1006 awaits the completion of the usual formalities. The staff, which permits the train to run through the next section, is handed to the crew. The time is checked with the station master and the guard, and the train is ready to depart with its 492-ton mixed load of coal in bogie wagons, baled wool in low-sided wagons, and cattle in open cattle trucks. A heavy section is experienced after crossing the steel bridge, and the train climbs up some fairly long stretches of 1 in 49 grade with curves of 7 chains. As the train arrives at the beginning of a new section, the train staff is exchanged by the crew. This particular staff station, like so many in the outback, is unattended. These Bear Garrett articulated locomotives are of the most modern design. They are built to an axle load of only 9 3/4 tons, due to restrictions caused by the many wooden bridges dating from the days when the line was originally constructed. Despite this restriction on design, these locomotives are powerful and efficient. A train of this weight, for instance, was previously handled as 2 trains using 2 locomotives and 2 crews.